In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Batman 2 on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option of playing LEGO Batman 2 on the PlayStation 5 and how you can do this officially. So, as you might be aware, LEGO Batman 2 was originally released all the way back in the PlayStation 3 era. And because of this, like many other PlayStation 3 games, it can be quite hard to access on newer gen consoles, such as the PlayStation 5. Now, the game is not available digitally through the PlayStation Store, so if you try to purchase a copy of the game and play it there, you will notice that you will not be able to find it. So, while you cannot purchase the game through the PlayStation Store directly, you can still play it on your PlayStation 5 officially. To do this, sadly, you will need PlayStation Plus Premium. So, you need to acquire the PlayStation Plus Premium subscription tier. This will give you access to streaming, and as you might imagine, one of the titles available for streaming, if you have PlayStation Plus Premium, is going to be LEGO Batman 2. So as you can see on the catalog of classic games that you can stream on your PlayStation 5, LEGO Batman 2 is going to be included. I understand that a lot of people don't want to pay this premium just to play LEGO Batman 2, but because Sony has never bothered to release these digital titles on the PlayStation 5 and on the PlayStation Store, the only option that we have to access this is going to be by acquiring PlayStation Plus Premium and streaming the games over. Of course, after you buy the subscription, you still need to ensure that you have a good internet connection because the games are going to be streamed over, and if you don't have good bandwidth, then the quality is not going to be great and it's going to feel laggy. But as it stands today, this is the only official method to play LEGO Batman 2 directly on your PlayStation 5. If this video helped you on how to play LEGO Batman 2 on the PlayStation 5, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.